Welcome. I was doing some cutting with my track saw the other day, and it just wasn't cutting very well. So I wanted to take a look at this blade with my USB microscope, and I did just clean this blade up, so it should be clean. And we'll check it out with the microscope and see what the edges look like. So this microscope isn't available anymore, but there are similar ones available on Amazon. And if you're looking to purchase something like this, I'll put a link in the description to some. And if you use that link, it helps me out a little bit. It doesn't cost you anything extra. Okay, so let's switch over to the microscope. Okay, so I'm just about focused here on the edge. And you can see, I can't really point to it, but you can see it's kind of dulled right there. Let's see if I can change the angle. Right there you can see it. There's a little bit of wear on that just corner, and that's the part that's doing the cutting. So since it doesn't have a sharp edge, I'm not going to get a good cut. Yeah, it's very rounded over. So I'll have to send this in for sharpening. Okay, so here I'm zoomed in even more. I'm zoomed in right on that tip. When I move the microscope just a tiny bit, it shifts a lot on the screen, so it's hard to get really close. There we go. I think that's pretty good. So that's the reason I wasn't getting a good cut. I'm going to check out another tooth on here. There's another one, same problem. So I think these microscopes are kind of fun. And besides just learning with them, you can actually use them as a tool in your shop to do things like check out your saw blades or your router bits. So the zoomed out view is 60x and the zoomed in is 250x. So there we go. And I just cleaned this and there's stuff sticking to it. Looks like dust or something. There's my finger. So this edge over here on the back side, close to my finger, that's actually very sharp, but it doesn't cut with that. It cuts with the other side because it sticks out higher. Okay, so that's all I'm going to share in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.